today we're going to be installing this. This is the SRM exhaust for the Huracan. This is probably the loudest exhaust on the market because literally it's just two pipes. It gets rid of that big 80-pound muffler. It lightens the car and makes it a lot louder. I already took the bumper off because I sent the exhaust tips to get powder coated gloss black. So let's get to it. All right, crossbars off, all the hardware. It's all pretty much the same except for these two screws that go here. Let's put it to the side and keep going. Since this car is a Spyder, some of the parts are a little different. Usually on convertible cars, it's a lot harder to work on, but this one seems to be a little simpler because there's less stuff. We don't have those carbon panels here that are like, you have to like maneuver them in. It has a little bit less bolts, so not too bad. There we go. We got the air boxes out. If you look over here, we do that so we can get access to the clamps that hold the exhaust in. Other than that, you really can't get in there. So now we got to take the muffler out. The whole heat shield comes with the muffler. So that's what we're doing next. Damn, this thing's heavy. Alright, so now I gotta transfer the heat shield over. This is really important. A lot of shops don't do it because they want people to see the exhaust. I'd rather you hear the exhaust. The thing is, if you don't put this on, it could catch the car on fire because all the heat goes everywhere and some of these lines are kind of weak. And it's pretty much designed to shield the whole engine from the heat, so I'm gonna put it back.
Only on Lamborghini Huracan. Badass. Made in China. China.
Made in China by a guy in Czech in Texas. We got the exhaust fitted in there. Now it's time to bolt everything back up and start it up. So everything's connected. We're gonna start up the car, see how it sounds. All right, so the tips are here. We had them powder coated. Thanks to our guy over here. Powder coating.
How's it going?
Brought them in. Looks really cool. Let's put them on the bumper. We're gonna put the bumper on. We gotta put a wing on too. And then we're gonna take it down the street and hear what it sounds like. So I'm about to put the wheels on, then last thing we have to do is just fit the wing, and this car is pretty much good to go. Last step right now, I'm assembling the SRM carbon fiber wing. And right after that we have to measure and fit it and drill it and install it, and the car's done. It sounds a lot louder. The guy complained, the customer complained that it was too quiet even with the top down. You see that now. That's how Lamborghini needs to sound. Not like a farm tractor or something. Alright, so this is a finished product. We didn't get footage of me installing the wing, but because the camera died, but here it is. Let me start up the car and give it a few revs. Do you guys have any questions, just DM us on Instagram at mperformancetx. Thanks for watching, guys.